Alright, so in this question here, we're just looking at where the x-axis is tangent to a circle, touching it at 6, 0, and you'll see I've put down that point on our graph already. The line x is equal to -2 is another tangent. I've put that on our graph already. And we need to try and figure out the equation of a circle. So what I've done here is they've told us a tangent is where a line is essentially perpendicular to a point. So if the tangent of y is equal to 0, that means that it's going to touch that point there, and that's going to be the edge of our circle. And that there is going to be our bottom or top of our circle. And then they've told us this other point, x is equal to -2, and that's going to be the left point of our circle. So what they've actually told us is that our radius is equal to 8, because it goes from 6 to -2, so that's 8. Okay, now it can be in two spots at the moment. So this point 6, 0 here, this can represent either the top or the bottom of the circle. So now we just need to, you can draw it out if you want to, and forgive my horrible circle here. And I need to turn that off. Okay, so it could be something like this. So with a radius of 8 though, we know that it's got to equal 64. So that means it's either A or B. Now we need to look at our x and y values here. So for this one would be x minus 6 squared and y minus 6 squared, because it's positive 6 and positive 8, while this one here will be x minus 6 squared plus y plus 8 squared. So now we just need to see if any of those are our answers, and we should see that this top one here is answer A. Okay, so this is how you do go about bringing this up. Yet again, it is a bit of a tough question if you're not sure what tangent means. So just remember, tangent just means, and hopefully you can see that now, that it's perpendicular to that point on the graph. And we do touch on them a little bit later in when we're looking at rates of change. Okay, so hopefully that helped.